All right. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed that road footage going through Louisville, Kentucky. Contrary to what you may hear in the news, people, there's a lot of good things going on. I've got a lot of good news. Not going to share it all in this video, but I will share one piece of good news, and sometimes good news compounds. One piece of good news leads to another piece of good news, and that's good news. I want to make it official, let everyone know I have applied for an LLC. Yes, that's right, a small business that I am the owner, president. But the name of my new LLC, which will take about 3 weeks for everything to process, it was quick and easy to do. I'll make a video about that sometime in the future. But the business name that I went with, and I toyed through a lot, High Five Video and Drone Services. That is the Mavic, people. It is back. We're not going to do a tour of the hotel with the drone. And here's something I have to learn to do. Ow! I still need some practice. I will be flying the Mavic Pro again today, but sorry guys, no epic drone footage will be included in this video. I'm going to talk a little bit about persistence and faith instead. The last year has been a unique experience for Trucker Jim. I have spent the last year working hard to put myself in a position to have good options. It gotten to the point before where I had difficulty seeing a bright future. It happened kind of slowly, but I had become depressed. And this video is not about that mental health journey. Maybe that'll be in an upcoming video. But the key to coming out of depression and truly making some shit happen is the awareness of the law of thought power. I don't know if thought power is really a thing or if I just keyed that term right now. But thoughts are things. There is science to this. I do not fully yet understand it all. But a thought, it is a thing. It has energy. Think about that. Thoughts can come with a visual in your mind. Sometimes it plays like a scene in a movie in your mind. A thought will change our mood instantly. Other people pick up on our thoughts. Here's a fact. We become what we think about. Now, in the early days of this channel, things were pretty simple as far as the content you got from this guy. I was going to show you the road from the perspective of a new truck driver, which I'm the kind of truck driver that likes to make the best of things, works efficient, has good habits, good eating habits for the most part, exercises a little bit, has fun, makes money, and then as time went on, it became pretty apparent that I was really into editing cool videos. I developed a passion for that side of it. And then doubt from all angles about all kind of things comes in, especially when you have a whole lot of time to think like a truck driver on the road does. And I was asking my question, am I an artist with a CDL? I'll tell you exactly when my depression started. Which, you know, all of us shit happens and, you know, we have to get over stuff. But depression, that's different. Depression, where it starts, is stinking thinking. Your thoughts just suck, and it attracts more bad things into you. Remember, we become what we think about. And hitting 45, I felt like a failure. And I had plenty of evidence to back up that statement. But guys, that ain't what this video is about. Because Trucker Jim ain't the guy who's gonna stay down, and you're not the person that's gonna stay down either. But I'm not gonna tell you it's easy. And my journey absolutely has not been easy. And it's still going. But I'm gonna share with you guys a secret that's not even a... I'm gonna share, hey, but good times are ahead, people. But me, I ain't bragging. I'm gonna share an awesome, look at me, awesome habit with you right now. That if you implement this habit, and my suggestion, commit right now to the next 5 days. You're gonna do this simple, easy habit that will absolutely, I promise you, will have a positive impact on your life. Try it out for 5 days. Hit me back in the comments. Let me know the results. There's nothing else like it, and there's science behind it. And the good news is it's not going to cost you $129 or anything like that. Are you ready to hear what this new habit is that you can do? You don't have to go out. I don't need your credit card number, but what I need you to do, when you go into the bathroom in the morning or whenever you go for the first time, whatever your morning routine is, we won't talk about all that stuff. Everybody does kind of the same things. Everybody does different things. But I want all of you to do the same thing. Before you leave that bathroom, I want you to glance in that mirror and give your reflection a high five. I know it sounds weird. I know it does. Cheesy. But think about it. High fives. What's associated with a high five? A high five is a human condition of celebration. Give me a high five, somebody. That's right. It's saying, good fucking job. That was awesome. Heck yeah. Our team scored. We won. Give me some skin. That's a low five. There's skin on skin that happens with it. That motion is a human celebration. It doesn't matter what age you are, what your height is, what your color is, what your zip code, your area code is, what language you speak. A high five is a universal symbol of celebration that's ingrained in our DNA. Why not start your day off with a high five to yourself? Because you can fucking do it, people, and I'm gonna do it too. This is officially my last week as a truck driver. That is not bad news. Do not get down. Get excited for me. Thank you. Without some of the support, I tell you, God works in amazing ways. Yes, I'm hit with doubt sometimes in the journey I'm putting myself on. Is it crazy, or should I just shut up and drive a truck and do my job? Well, I did that for a year, but now it's time to give myself a high five and elevate. And I know some of you guys are going to do it. But as far as Kevin and Travis, both of these are drivers that I ran into here at the hotel that stopped and talked to me, that are having outstanding experiences with NFI. That was actually familiar with my channel before they came, and they had just encouraging words of appreciation, which I needed to hear that. Thank you, guys. I'll see everyone in the next video. I'm not sure where it's going to be coming from. There probably will be some drone footage in it, because I do have, the FFA Part 107 unmanned pilot license. Yeah. Oh, did I mention I just started the business, High Five Video and Drone Services? The website's not up yet. That'll be coming soon. I'll keep you guys informed. There's probably going to be another YouTube channel too, just to, give you a heads up. But Trucker Jim is almost at 10,000 subscribers. It would be a fantastic Christmas present if you guys could help that come my way. But everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for your support over the years. Drop a thumbs up if you're digging this content. I would love to hear from you. And in 5 days from now, I want to hear how your high five habit's doing. I've kind of gotten to the habit, because I tend to overdo things. When I go to bathrooms and see mirrors, I'm high-fiving myself before I leave. I need more than one high five a day. I don't know about you guys, but I'll see all of you in the next video. But until then, be safe out there and keep on trucking. Everybody going